Good morning, everyone. My name is Shreya. I'm from Johnson Grammar School, Grade 8, and I'm here to share my feedback of how Creya helped me learn how to make prototypes of today we learned how to make a prototype of Mayan pyramid, and we also learned about different machines and how what is the difference between all. Thank you.
So I really like the electronic lab because I really like how they integrate the technology into like machines that we use today. Thank you.
I'm representing Johnson Grammar School. The experience here was really wonderful because I myself came to know many new things, the things that are very innovative and what we generally commonly see in IKEA, the products are here. But today we have known actually how they are made, and some working models also we have seen in using CNC, how they have cut the wooden board or the plastic, the thick wood, the cardboard. These things were really inspiring and interesting.
Yeah!